Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss Nishtha 3.0 FLN Course 12 Toy Based Pedagogy for Foundational Stage all 40 quiz question and answers. In the previous video, I have also uploaded Module 11 Final Assessment Answers. The video is available on the channel and link is also in description, so you can check there also. Now, before starting the video, if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe the channel and also press the notification bell icon so that you will receive all upcoming course answers videos notification. Now let's see all the quiz answers. First question is, DIY toys does not challenge children in. The correct answer is spiritual skills. Next question, the DIY area should be. The correct answer is well stocked with materials, neat and organized. Next question, children in the classroom should be permitted to bring their. The correct answer is toys and games. Next question, in which activity area the kitchen set should be placed? The correct answer is dramatic play area. Next question, kaleidoscope is made up of. The correct answer is cardboard, glass piece and some random pictures. Next question, indigenous toys are made up of. The correct answer is local low cost material. Next question, which of the following is incorrect in relation to ring set puzzles? Ring set puzzle, the correct answer is made up of glass. Next question, which of the following is not correct in relation to kitchen toys? The correct answer is kitchen toys help in introspecting self. Next question, toy telephones and talking books are some examples of dash to boost language and communication skills of young children. The correct answer is tech aided toys. Next question, which of the following statements is not correct in the context of indigenous toys? The correct answer is indigenous toys are not easily available. Next question, which among the following is a technology based game? The correct answer is video game. Next question, children love to dash objects because they are curious and eager to learn by nature. The correct answer is manipulate. Next question, tech aided toys helps in. The correct answer is make learning joyful. Next question, toy center created for young children should have. The correct answer is toy and age appropriate manipulatives and materials. Next question, play is helpful in the development of language and thought. Who said this? The correct answer is Lev Vygotsky. Next question, which of the following statements is true in the context of toy as educational aid? The correct answer is playing with toys helps in developing important. Next question, which of the following is not an active physical play? The correct answer is computer game. Next question, at what age children start demonstrating their willingness to play with others in a structured manner? The correct answer is 6 to 8 years. Next question, which among the following is not a DIY idea? The correct answer is buying toy airplane from market and playing with it in a toy center. Next question, identify from the following which is a traditional building toy. The correct answer is jigsaw puzzles. Next question, Dhingli toys are also known as. The correct answer is cotton dolls. Next question, ring set puzzles help in learning the concept of. The correct answer is seriation. Next question, what is considered a good idea in order to ensure quiet play in small groups among children? The correct answer is creating a toy area. Next question, the objective of introducing toys across the foundational stages is. The correct answer is to promote experiential learning from an early age. Next question, which of the following is the popular name for the toy set of kitchen utensils in Gujarat? The correct answer is rasoi. Next question, indigenous toys connect children with. The correct answer is culture. Next question, which of the following should not be a consideration while choosing play materials, toys for children? The correct answer is children's economic status. Next question, which is true amongst the following? The correct answer is toy help children to learn about themselves and? Next question. Which of the following is the famous indigenous toy of Gujarat? The correct answer is Dhingli dolls. Next question. The history of toys are traced back to? The correct answer is Indus Valley period. Next question. Which of the following games is not a popular traditional Indian game? The correct answer is cricket. Next question. Toys and educational play materials must not be. The correct answer is culturally irrelevant. Next question. At which age group toy-based pedagogy should be initiated? The correct answer is 2 to 3 years. Next question. The full form of DIY is? The correct answer is do it yourself. Next question. Kaleidoscope is very useful in developing understanding of the? The correct answer is science concepts of reflection and refraction. Next question. At which stage learning through toys is most required? The correct answer is foundational and preparatory stage. Next question. What is the essential component in implementing a play-way activity-based approach across the foundational stage? The correct answer is child-friendly environment. Next question. What approach should be practiced in a child-friendly classroom across the foundational stage? The correct answer is play-way, toy-based, child-centered approach. Next question. Which of the following should be a guiding criteria for selecting the toy of children? The correct answer is toy is appropriate for child's age. Next question. Toys aid the young children in? The correct answer is cognitive development. Now you can answer any 20 questions correctly which will be asked from these 40 question set and score 20 marks out of 20. So that's all in today's video. Please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Jai Hind.